I'm going to be sharing some pointers with you so that you can work on your circle of influence. Your circle of influence can make you or break you. It determines your present as well as your future to a larger extent. You are the average of 5 people you hang out with. So please be careful of the people you associate yourself with. So the first category of people, these are the people whom you have to avoid at any cost. These are very negative and toxic people. They are not happy with anybody. They are not happy with themselves. They have a very negative mindset. They are very judgmental about everything and anything about themselves as well as about others. They are known for gossiping and bitching about people, and they have a very negative energy vibration around them. So do not be surprised even if you are a person who is very positive. As and when you are around these people, you feel very drained. You feel your energy is drained out. They would have drained and sucked your energy out of your system. So please avoid such kind of people who are very toxic and who are very negative. They are very toxic to your growth. Alright? The second type of people are the people who are nice, but they are comfort seekers. They are usually nice to hang out with and have fun with, but as I said earlier, they are not growth oriented. They are comfort oriented. So they seek certainty and they are afraid of uncertainty. So these people, when they don't know their hidden potential, they wouldn't be able to recognize your true potential and your true caliber, and won't be in a position to push you towards your next level. Right? So if you are a person who is growth oriented, stop associating yourself with comfort seekers. The third category of people are the people who are very positive and they operate at a very high positive energy vibration, and being around them elevates and uplifts your energy levels as well, and they elevate your mood as well. These people are growth oriented and they operate at a very high level of consciousness, and they are filled with enthusiasm and inspiration. So if you ever get a chance to hang out with these people, please do not miss the opportunity. Ensure that you try and keep in touch with them so that their charisma rubs off on you. Right? The fourth category of people are the most misunderstood sort of people, but they are very good for your growth. These people are very growth oriented and they can identify your hidden power and your hidden potential. So they cannot be in a situation to accept you as you are, because they already know what you can be and where you can go. They can't accept anything less of you because they know your hidden caliber. So they always try and push you, which might make you feel uncomfortable. And these are misunderstood as well because they are very straight with their feedbacks, and that might come as a criticism for most of us. But if you want to grow, these are the people you need to hang out with, because they know your flaws and they will help you strengthen your talents and skills and polish it so that you can reach to the next level. Right? So if you are inclined towards your growth, hang out with the third and the fourth set of people and avoid negative people, toxic people who drain the energy out of you, and also avoid comfort seekers who are nice to hang out with once in a while, but they won't push you to your next level.